pinapatanong ni Rick. Uy, may pili. Guys, ito yung pili. Ito yung pili kapag hindi pa siya not ripe yet. Okay? Yan. It's not yet ripe. Once it's ripe, it's black. So, this is pili. Yan. Ayan. So far, guys, sinimula na yata ang kuya ko mag-ano. Ito guys, walang madaanan. Grabe, oh. Oh my goodness. Yan, guys, kita ko na yung bahay ng nanay ko. Tingnan nyo. Oops, hinay-hinay lang tayo, guys. Okay. Nabagsakan ng kayumito, star apple yung bubong ng bahay ng nanay ko. Ito yung daan actually kasi nasa lowland yung bahay ng nanay ko. Okay. At ito yung daan, yung hagdan going there. At makikita nyo naman, tara na. Ano tayo? Maglakad na tayo. Hinahinay lang. Wow. Oh my goodness. Tingnan natin. Kaya actually guys, nakakatakot dito ngayon kasi madulas. Marami pang nakahambalang. Need somebody to help my mother. And may small river dito, guys, na. And so far yan, lahat ng lahat na grabe guys, ang dala ng makita niyo yan. Yeah, my gosh, I wanna see what's going on in my mother's house. Guys, ito yung nangyari sa bubong, dito sa bubong ng bahay namin. Grabe, it really needs a big job. And ito yung, kasi we're surrounded with like a forest. De, mga kakahuyan. At yung likod is rice field. At ito yung likod actually, guys, ng mga, buti nakasurvive yung mga chicken. Yan, buti nakasurvive yung mga chicken. At yan, wow, this is very delicate, dangerous, this big tree. Guys, yung bakanting bodega. So yan na guys yung nangyari. Oh my goodness. I don't know how we will do it. Okay, everything broke now here in her stock room. Wow. Oh, this is the star apple. Ito yung star apple. Guys, star apple. Ayan. Dami na sanang bunga. And then, wala. Na siya. That's the star apple and that's the one. That is what happened to my mom's house. Typical Filipino family. We're poor. Okay, we need to admit we're poor. We need help. And, makes me cry. You know? So, this is our backyard here. And this is the cacao tree, guys. The cacao tree. I will show you. Look. So, this is the cacao tree. Yeah, it's so devastating what happened. And everything needs to be cleared up. It is a big work, guys. Ma'am, say hello to my vlog na.
Hi.
Oh.
Sobrang yagit.
Oh my
Tired
gosh.
na tired.
You're so tired.
Woo.
Yeah. Hi guys, and welcome back to my vlog. So it's me, Raquel, in Sorsogon. So today I'm gonna visit my mother and check the roof because Rick pay for the carpenter to fix my mom's roof. So tara, samahan niyo ako at silipin natin kung okay na ba yung bubong ng nanay ko. Okay guys, so dito na tayo. Ayan, yung bike ng pamangkin ko. Okay, so far malinis na yung yung hagdan. So last time na pumunta ako dito, it is talagang ang dami ng mga yung natumbang mga mga halaman, mga dahon. And then so dito na tayo. Oh, ayan, nakita ko na yung kitang-kita ko na yung roof ng nanay ko. So far dito is okay na. Doon hindi na kinaya doon sa part na yun, oh. Pero I think it will be worth it. So I think okay na yan, guys. Okay na. At i-check ko lang lahat kung okay yung pagkagawa. Okay. Tara. So, itong daanan dito, Little Bridge. Nakakatakot, diba? Yan, marami pang tambak. Kailangan sunugin. And then, yan. Okay. Yan, binilad yung kanilang. So, ayan na guys. So, yun hindi. Ayan, wala nang ano doon. So, ayan. So, nandito na tayo. Ito kailangan na yung tanggalin. Alright, okay. Tingnan natin, silipin natin ang mother ko. Ayan, so actually guys, ito yung attic. Ito talaga yung iniistakan ng mother ko ng mga gamit. And ngayon, ayan, okay na yung bubong niya. So, hindi na siya tutulo. Hindi na yan tutulo kasi napaayos na. Thank you to Rick. Ayan, konting ano na lang to guys, retouch. Yung nandyan na lang sa mga gilid. At check upin ko din yung sa kabila. Ayan. So, ayan, mga pamangkin ko. Ayan, may hagdan kami pababa. And then, ang dami. Grabe, makalat, no? Super. So, actually guys, ito yung kwarto ko dati. Yung kwarto ko Ayan. Diba? Ayan guys, kahit pa paano, okay na rin naman. So, ito yung dito. Yan, hindi na yan naisama kasi hindi na yan naisama sa budgeting. So, ayan. Ito guys, dala yung bagyo. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, kahit pa paano nabubungan na. Ayan natin yan. Ay, sus, grabe. Ayan, yan na yung yero guys sa mga natanggal. Sus, grabe itong kailangang linisin. So, okay. Ayan. Hindi naman ako guys nakapagbantay ng mag-work. Kaya, hindi ko na rin ito sa kanila na pasali. So, anyway, sila na yung maglinis dyan. Dami-daming kailangan linisin. Needs a man's hand to do it, not my mother. So far, itong sa right side na to ang hindi natapos. So, I need to call my uncle back. So, they can do it again. Ayan. Hindi niya naisama sa pag-costing. Kaya, hindi naman pwede na ganyan yan. Kasi malalaglag yung sa kabila. So, anyway, Rick said should be the entire roof needs to be done. So, this is my update for you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rick. Thank you so much for helping my mother. And thank you, Lord, for making all us safe from typhoon. So thank you so much. If you're just new to my channel and until now you're still watching, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much. And to all my members, shout out everybody. Goodbye and see you again.